do something for the Lord of God. I am filled with joy seeing you people expressing real love. Since morning, it happened as if to say that something told you that I don't want to see anybody today. I'm actually from America. I'm actually on a temple in Lulu. I said, man of God, they said, a celebration and that for me. I can celebrate people, but I find it difficult to allow myself to celebrate it. It's a problem. So, and before we could finish the discussion, I never knew it was happening here. Eventually, it became mortal savers and the cherubic drums with trumpets. Before I knew it, another group came from Lagos, from this, and what I was running away from just came to me like a flood, unprepared. So at the time I said the only thing I can do is to actualize this occasion by having the grand finale of it in the Eucharistic celebration. If we as a family can gather together to say thanks to God. So this is a mass of thanksgiving. I know that none of you prepared to do mass while coming. You just came to say, Daddy, congratulations. So, and the person to congratulate more is God, who has given me the opportunity to celebrate this year, irrespective of what we passed through in previous years. It's only God. So I am thanking God for giving me wonderful children like you. Wave your hands to Jesus. I'm thanking the God of consolation. I'm thanking the God of miracles. I'm thanking the God of signs and wonders. The year has started well for us. Absolute peace and joy. I'm happy to see you. Being here is not a moment, it's a thing of joy. I appreciate you. I love you. I'm happy with you. So in this Mass, and I'm thanking God for adding more years to my years. With what I passed through, I never knew I would see their life till now. What have they not done? Is it shooting with gun? Is it bombing the house? Is it several poisoning times? So I ate and vomited too, and a lot of death plans and attacks here and there. Yet every year, I was so high like an eagle in the tree. Soaring like a heady eagle, roaring like a heady lion in the bush. It is a miracle. And in spite of activities that are multiple going on in the same mind. So I got up around 4 a.m. with a whirlwind of plans on what to do and how to achieve. Because every day we have multiple tasks for people to be helped. So you can't be at the same level with the people you are helping. So if in the previous years you are helping with mega money, now it needs mega wealth. But there are more people to help. More people. And my ministry has become a charitable one. So, and I'm happy that God is providing what it takes. Even 99% of those who came to say happy birthday, then I get person that they will go. Praise the Lord. So I'm thanking God. David Benedict, Chineke. Upon no man after Gospel, 1 Samuel 13:14. Opposite West Solomon, Romanze. You can say, no, no, can it be? The men know can you know. They read temples. So for God to give me the privilege and opportunity is out of His love. And so when they pay, when I'm around to give it, that all you may have to give it. Not be able to Thanksgiving is your Thanksgiving. So when you get on a coma, get up a man or never. Nine number, go away, kidnap, and I check and get number when they make call. So what they do number, what they remove. The more we increase in years, the more you are increasing in blessing. Amen. Thank you for forming the solidarity wall around me. I'm full of gratitude and appreciation. So as we are thanking God, I'm thanking God for you too, for giving me children for signs, wonders, and miracles.